Greetings, welcome, and really happy to share with you my favorite thing in the whole world. It's the sun salutation. And when I was 16 years old, a friend of mine took me outside and taught me that set of exercises, these movements with breath. And I had this crazy mystical experience, and I'm still doing it 40 plus years later. The mystical part is built into it. Like it's this honoring of the sun, of Surya, and it's an ancient kind of practice. And Surya is the giver of light and the bringer of the warmth and the nourisher. But he has many names, and so he's the maker of light, the brilliant one, the one with the form of fire, and it's a triple fire. So it's a digestive fire, the awakened breath, the fire of awakened breath, and the fiery intellect. And so every time I step on my mat, I start with this sun salutation. So let's try it out. One thing is you make what's called sound breathing. So this Ujjayi. So I'll make it for you. So the way you make that sound is by partially closing your glottis. And one way to do it, to get the hang of it, is to open your mouth and whisper the syllable ha in a sustained way. So let's try that. Breathe in, and then okay, now do it again, and this time close the lips, but keep that sound coming as you do it. So breathe in, and all right, so and if you get the hang of it, good, and if not, no problem. You just breathe deeply, and you'll catch on to it sooner than later. All right, so you stand at the front of the mat and withdraw your senses and mind inside your body. Stand tall, root your legs, lift your chest, and then breathe in, connecting that movement with the breath, and then exhale, fold. So forward bend, inhale, lift the head and chest, look up, then step back to a kind of plank position. Bend your elbows if you can, come down, inhale, arch your spine, and exhale, swing your hips back. So plant your hands, so you're in this upside down shape. And just being with yourself here. Stamp your hands and feet down into the beloved earth. Lengthen your legs and arms. Breathe along your spinal column. Then look up and step or hop forward. Breathe in, look up. And exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. And exhale. Come back to that original starting place. Okay, so there's 9 of the positions in this sun salutation. So I'll count them off as we do it. Okay, so this standing is 0. That's your starting place. Okay, then you breathe in and reach. That's your first position. So you memorize that. So you reach up with a brilliance, honoring Surya. And then exhale, fold. And that's your second position. Inhale, lift your head and chest. That's your third position. Then step or jump back, this plank You can do the straight arm plank or bend your elbows and come down. That's your fourth position. Inhale, arch. That's 5. And exhale, swing the hips back to this downward dog, inverted position. And this is 6. And position 6 is where you stay and hold for some time. Keeping your mind and senses awake to what you're doing. Keeping the attention inside the body. So you breathe all the way down the length of your spine to the base of the pelvis. That sound travels, inhale up the length of the spine. Now make a crouch and step or hop forward. Breathe in, so this is the 7th position. And exhale, fold, that's 8. And up you come with the breath in, and that's position 9. And then back to 0. So that sound breath that helps you to regulate, to lengthen your breath and synchronize your movements with your breath. But it also highlights that the breath is carrying energy, so that you're energizing, you're kind of sending energy into generating energy and causing energy to flow. Here we go. Breathe in and reach. We call that energy prana. So that's fill up your lungs and charge up your body with that prana. And exhale, project your spine out into space. Fold with the out breath. Inhale, look up. So you're lengthening all the way from the base of the spine, the whole length of that axis. We call that the glorious axis. Now make a crouch and make a hop or a step. Come down with it, bending the elbows. Inhale, lift up the head, chest. Open the chest, breathe in, and exhale, swing back. And that breath has the power of prana behind it. And when you use the Ujjayi, this breathing technique, you can harness that energy and make your body come alive. Awake limbs, awake spine. You can also settle your mind. Get into the moment. And that's where the mystical experience will happen. Just by getting present, communing with yourself, make a crouch and jump forward. Breathe in. Really lift the chest up. Lengthen your legs. Exhale, fold. So you try to keep your legs long and tall. If you have to bend them, it's okay, but go against that resistance. So you're trying to lengthen the backs of the legs when you fold. Then inhale, reach. And exhale, return to the samastitihi, it's called, equal grounding. So you ground yourself. Okay, then I'll count it off again. Let's do another one. Inhale, first position. Exhale, second position. Inhale, third position. So movement with breath. Exhale, fourth position. Either the straight arm plank or the bend the elbows. Inhale, fifth position. Exhale, 6. So you stay for some time here, working with the breath, breathing along that glorious axis. It's called Muladhara, the root of the pelvis in yoga. And so you're breathing from Muladhara all the way along your spine to your palate, and that's a sacred cave called Kachari, or the space maker. So between the Muladhara and the Kachari, you send your breath. Okay, then we go with the 7th position. Jump or step, breathe in, look up. That's your 7th position. 8, fold. Breath and movement together. 9, and back to 0. So in Ashtanga, we count that in Sanskrit. So I'll do it once for you. So we go, ekam. So the counting is the numbers. So it's counting up, counting 9. Ekam is 1, dve is 2. Okay, so here we go. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. That's your 2nd position. Trini, inhale, head up. That's 3. Chetwari, jump back. So that's 4, Chetwari. Then Pancha, inhale. 5. Chant, exhale. 6. And a 5 count. 1, as you breathe. 2. 3. 4. 5. Sapta, jump. Inhale, so there's your 7th position. Ashto, exhale. That's number 8. Nava, inhale, arms up. That's 9, and back to 0. I hope you enjoyed that. I did that for 10 years. It's only sun salutation. That was my yoga practice. And so you can, it's a whole rounded physical exercise, but every time you do that, or every time I do it, I feel I'm honoring myself, and I step into immediate mystical experience. Namaste.